Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Wandering Souls Studio. If you're as passionate about travel as we are, then you know that preparation is the key to an unforgettable journey. Today, we've got you covered with our ultimate travel checklist, 10 essential things to do before your next adventure. So grab your notepads and let's get ready to explore the world. The first step to a memorable trip is thorough destination research. Dive into guidebooks, scour travel blogs, and watch videos to gather insights about your chosen destinations. This will help you plan your itinerary and ensure you don't miss any hidden gems. Before you leave, double-check all your travel documents. Ensure your passport is valid and you have all necessary visas. Print out your flight and accommodation details and keep digital copies as backups. Being prepared will save you from last-minute stress. Pack like a pro by sticking to the essentials. Make a packing list and include weather-appropriate clothing, toiletries, and any medications you might need. Remember, less is more when it comes to travel. Pack light to make your journey smoother. Finances are crucial when traveling. Notify your bank about your trip and consider carrying a travel wallet to keep your cards and cash secure. Research currency exchange rates and have some local currency on hand for emergencies. Secure your home away from home by booking accommodation in advance. Whether it's a cozy hostel, boutique hotel, or a unique Airbnb, booking ahead will save you the hassle of searching for a place to stay on arrival. Communicate with the locals and immerse yourself in the culture by learning a few basic phrases in the local language. Simple greetings and thank yous go a long way in building connections. Your safety matters. Before you set off, inform a trusted friend or family member about your travel plans. Share your itinerary and contact information so they can reach you in case of an emergency. Don't let a technology mishap ruin your trip. Back up your important documents and photos on a cloud service or an external drive. Also, carry a portable charger to keep your devices juiced up on the go. Last but not least, keep yourself fueled and entertained during your journey. Pack some travel-friendly snacks and bring along your favorite book, podcasts, or music to make those long flights or bus rides enjoyable. As we wrap up our travel checklist, don't forget to embrace the spirit of adventure. Embrace every moment, make memories, and immerse yourself in the beauty of new cultures and places. Remember, travel is not just about the destinations. It's about the journey within ourselves. And there you have it, a comprehensive travel checklist to ensure you're fully prepared for your next adventure. Remember, preparation not only adds to the excitement, but also makes your journey smoother and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel Wandering Souls Studio, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming travel guides and tips. Until then, safe travels and happy wandering. As always, stay curious, keep exploring, and let your Wanderlust guide you to new horizons. See you in the next video.